The whole world was very busy in its day-to-day activities, but all of a sudden, a deadly virus has changed the entire world. The coronavirus has taken the lives of many, and millions are positively affected. It made many homeless, destroyed the economy of the whole world, people suffering from hunger, people suffering from unemployment. At the same time, coronavirus has also taught many lessons to the humanity. But for how long we will be fearing to this virus? How long we will be in lockdown? How long we will be in the darkness? Where in this world there is no danger? Danger is everywhere, every second. But if we follow the rules, regulations with discipline, we are cautious, we are safe. A ship in a sea is safe as long as the water is outside. It helps in smooth sailing. But as soon as the water enters into the ship, it is danger. Similarly, as long as we are maintaining social distancing, wearing masks, washing hands, following the precautions, we are safe. Man is a social being. He cannot be in isolation, locked down for a long time. In fact, these rules were a routine life in our ancient India. People used to say namaste instead of shaking hands. They would wash their hands and legs before entering the house. They leave their shoes outside the house. The Brahmanas would bathe 3 times a day, wear fresh clothes, and the women are always in masks in Parda system. It was our tradition, but due to adopting the Western civilization, we have lost our Brahmanical culture and tradition. Brahmanas does not mean by birth, it's by following the rules, staying in the mode of goodness. In the history of mankind, there was only one person who said, I want to make all Brahmanas. It is His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Coronavirus is not going to end in a day or two. How long we will have to hide from it? Let's learn to walk along with it, adopt it in our lives, following all the precautions. As I said, as long as the water is outside the ship is safe. We have to stay with Corona. We have to welcome it by following all the precautions. Friends, let's fight. Let's defeat it. Let's be safe by following all the rules and regulations. Follow distancing. Wash your hands and be safe.